The pillows all complete, and they turned out very nicely. And I found this in the craft department at Walmart, and this is so neat. It fits on your right on your basic toss pillow, and it's 97 cents. So you could get this, use some fabric you have on the back, or get two of these, run about an inch around the edge, and it would fit right on that. That is just, you can't really beat that, I don't think. Now the next thing I want to do is, I saw some napkins with flags, and I just loved them. So I had these, and I got these. You can get in a package, 3 or 4 at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, or several places. And then I used this witchery. It's like a fabric glue, and put it on the edge. I came in just a little bit. I think it looks neater to have your hem not have it right on the edge, but bypass your hem, and then all you do is you want to be careful not to slide your iron, because you can slide that witchery around and then it's on the edge and it can look messy. So you want to kind of tap it in until it's tight, and then you can move it around a little. And then this is one that's finished. I just grabbed it up in the middle and put a little twine on it. I just think that is a really cute napkin for the 4th of July. Now, I don't know about washing these flags, how that would turn out, but most of the time, something like this I would just use for a display, and then I would have others that I would use. Unless I had experimented with the fabric to make sure I could wash it. There you go. It's a quick little napkin. I just love the flag.